So today we're going to be talking about fragrance combos that I love, and I'm going to be mixing some perfumes and lotions that I love mixing together that I find to be pretty good, and I hope that you find this combination good too. So if you want to see my fragrance combos, then please keep watching. So the first fragrance combo is going to be Bare by Victoria's Secret. I mix it with the Victoria's Secret Bare lotion, and then I mix it with the Taraji P. Henson, what is this called? The Lightweight Body Oil, Vanilla and Tuberose, which you can get this at Walmart. And then I also layer it with In the Stars Body Cream. And then I spray the body mist as well. So is this, I don't think I can hold everything. So I mix all of these together and it smells so good. You mix all those together, it's like vanilla tuberose with a hint of baccarat. It's just a really good fragrance combination. I love mixing all of those together. I know it seems like it's a lot, but it smells so good, especially in a dry down. It's like it's a sweet, musky smell, but not like childish sweet. It's more like an adult sweet type of sweet smell. So I like mixing that together. So the next one's going to be the Moschino Fresh, Gold Fresh. I think it's Gold Fresh. And I like this one a lot. This smells pretty good. And then I mix Beach Nights and Sunset Glow together with it. This smells really good. Some of the notes in this one, the notes in the body cream is toasted marshmallow, sea salt breeze, s'mores accord, beach driftwood, and creamy vanilla. And then the fragrance mist is going to be fresh coconut, sparkling, cherry Sessler, dreamy, moonflower, and caramelized vanilla. So in this one, I think it's more like a fresh, almost fruity type scent. But this combined, it's just fresh, fruity, vanilla, marshmallowy type scent. It's really, really good. I love mixing these three together, and I think that you should try it as well. The next one's going to be Marc Jacobs Perfect, and this is more like a fruity rhubarb type of scent. And pretty much everyone mixes combinations together on Instagram, but I'm mixing it with the Poppy Body Cream from Bath & Body Works and the spray. But I also mix it with Weed Couture. So I mix Weed Couture by Juicy Couture. This combination right here gives off of like watermelon, rhubarb, juicy pear type of scent. Like, it's so fresh and juicy and sweet and fruity. This is perfect for the summer. I know we're getting into fall, but I love this. It smells so good. The next combination is going to be Gentle Fluidity Gold mixed with K. Ali Utopia. And then I mix it with One in a Million. And I feel like One in a Million smells like K. Ali Utopia without the coconut note and without that, what is that K. Ali signature smell? I guess, is it musk or oud? Maybe? I think it might be some type of oud. But this is like one of the best scents from Bath & Body Works. Of course, I use the body spray as well to mix it all together. This smells so good. The notes in this one, the notes for in the body cream is jasmine extract, tuberose oil, white gardenia, pink pepper, cashmere musk. So yeah, I think the white gardenia and the tuberose. Does this have gardenia in here? I don't think so. Either way, it mixed together really, really well, because this is like juniper berry, vanilla, and this is coconut vanilla. So they all have vanilla in here, I believe. And the combination is just, oh, I think this has honeysuckle in here. I don't think it's gardenia. I think it's honeysuckle. Either way, it smells so good when you mix these together. Even if you don't mix it with One in a Million, simply just combine these two. So good. Next combination is going to be M by Mariah Carey, and I mix this with Cotton Candy Clouds, the lotion, and of course the body spray. So this smells really, really nice. It gives off sugary marshmallow berry type of scent. The notes in the lotion is spun sugar, pink berries, and with vanilla. And I think this one has vanilla and marshmallows in here, and it's just so pretty. Like, this is so pretty. And I would suggest this combining this together, especially like at night when you get ready to go to bed. Oh, it smells so good. So my last one is going to be K. Ali Love Fest with Autumn Dry from Bath and Body Works. Now I don't have the body spray for what is this called, Autumn Dry, and I really need to get some more of this. I need to get the 1.7, but this smells so good. This literally smells like apples for some reason, like straight up apples. The notes in the cream is wild raspberry, warm amber, and vanilla birch. This has like cherries. I think it has raspberry in this one too. And does this have vanilla? It might have vanilla. I can't remember the notes, but they go together so well. This smells like you're walking around an apple tree during autumn and you happen to be drinking apple cider, but then at the same time you're eating cherries. So just use your imagination on that. So yeah, this smells really good, and I would suggest people to try this combination. So this video, I didn't want to make this super long. I just wanted to just show y'all basically what I have. And yeah, this was like random. I just thought, like, you know what, I can make a YouTube video about this. Let me just go ahead and make a video. So yeah, this is not a super long video, but I hope you like it, and I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.